What's up guys, Jack here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable developer options on Galaxy phone. This is a simple trick, but it unlocks a ton of advanced features that most people don't know about. Go to the settings menu. This is where you manage everything on your phone, from display and sound settings to storage, privacy, and system tools. Scroll down to the down screen and tap on About Phone. On some Galaxy devices, you may need to tap Software Information to see all the details. Now, see the build number. Once you find it, tap it 7 times quickly. After a few taps, your phone will ask you to enter your lock screen, PIN, pattern, or password. Enter it, and you'll see a message saying, Developer mode has been enabled. Go back to the main settings menu and you'll notice a new option called Developer Options. Tap it and you'll unlock a range of advanced features. Here you can enable USB debugging for file transfer and app testing, adjust animation scale to make your phone feel faster, set background process limits, and explore other tools used by developers for testing and customization. Quick tip: only adjust settings if you know what they do. Some options can affect performance or system behavior. If you ever want to turn developer options off, simply open the menu and toggle it off at the top. If this video helped you, make sure to smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe so you don't miss any of my easy Android tips and tech tutorials.